Okay, this is lesson 3 and I'm talking about the mobile batteries. So some old batteries had 3 pins, others had 4 pins. They had the positive, the BSI, okay, and the negative. The BSI, it was used, or it was pressed on a mobile phone to identify the resistance inside the battery and the charging sensor as well, okay, to avoid discharge. So when technology developed, they added on another bit temp. So bit temp was added on to monitor the temperature of the battery as well as the TDR. The TDR, okay, it is a thermostat that was pressed inside it was pressed inside the battery circuit, okay. It was pressed inside the battery circuit to disconnect current flow if the temperature of the battery increases or if any fault is detected on the PCB. Remember, some of the old models, some of the phone old models, the battery, the VBAT was connected directly to the power IC. It did not have a OVP IC, the DC to DC converter, or the charging ICs to make the VPH line or the VDD mains. So the battery voltage from the battery was connected directly to the power IC. So to avoid sorting the power IC, they added that thermostat. It is called a thermostat. Even the modern batteries still have some kind of a resistor, fuse resistor, okay. It is like, it works like a fuse. So when it detects that there is a short in mobile phone, it should disconnect the battery from passing current to the phone. So now that's batteries in particular. Even latest models, you will find out that they have many lines. You'll find some they will have what we call the ID, some will have what we call the positive, the ID, and they will have the NTC, the TH. It depends on a particular phone models, okay. Some will also have more lines, like the Google Pixel. You'll find that it is having like 6 lines: the positive, the TH, the ID, okay, the BSI. So all those are lines integrated into the battery system or the battery managing system, the BMS, or the battery circuit, for proper functioning and proper discharge and charging of your phone battery. So let me talk about battery capacitors in particular. So most of the phones now, they have 3000 milliamp, others they have 4000 milliamp, 5000 milliamps. So what does that mean? It means if your phone consumes let's say 1000 milliamp every hour, okay. So let me just term it like this: if your phone has 4000 milliamp hours, okay, when you are using your when you are using your phone to game, to record videos, to browse the internet, and you end up using like 1000 milliamp hours, you will use your phone for 4 hours in, okay. I don't know whether you have termed it correctly. If you are using your phone, okay, you are using 1000 milliamp hours per hour, it means you have, when your phone has a battery of 4000 milliamp hours, you will use it for 4 hours. When you use 500 milliamp hours, you will use it for 8 hours, okay. Most of the modern phones, even if you are gaming, you are playing videos, the maximum peak of amps, it will consume at least 500 milliamp hours. So your phone will be able to last for at least 8 hours a day. So that's how we calculate the capacitance of the battery. So that's why we recommend, if your battery is weak, you should don't do multitasking. Okay, you should limit what you use on your phone and opening up different apps to preserve power. So that's all about what you need to know about phone batteries.